Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Yes, we're going to be looking at the deals, pretty much whatever they have on sale this week. They have that $8.99, the extension impact ready or impact rated. And then they got the Hercules, the new Hercules extended, and the regular ratchet for $119, and the regular ones for $99. So if you're looking for these ratchets, make sure you guys look at the area impact side. Then you got this 3/8 impact wrench for $129.99. That's for the Inside Track Club members. And then they got this one for $89.99. This is another ratchet that they have with battery. And then they got the Diabolo premium rubber air hoses for $29.99. These are really nice. I do have one of the lower ends of the Diabolo, still great quality. $29.99, 3/8 by 50 feet premium. So it's a really nice red. And then if you guys haven't checked out these Merlin fittings, definitely check them out. They're nice, good quality. I've used them in the past. They've been working great on my compressors, on my air hoses. Everything's great. Very low cost, good quality. So definitely check them out. Make sure you guys get the Merlins. Don't get the Central Pneumatic or the Central. Yeah, the Central Pneumatic are not good. That's a new kit that they have. The new with the air hose and the filler. I recommend you guys get this low profile. This is a 3-ton low profile. This one lifts a little higher and it is lower profile. If you have a sports vehicle or if you have a higher truck, it does lift higher. $114.99. It's just a freebie. It's just something that's solid as a rock. These gloves went up in price. They went double the price. $19.99. We used to get these for like $8.99, $7.99. It's just so ridiculous now that the price of the gloves have gone up everywhere. You got $164.99 for this 20-gallon compressor. So you guys see it's a 135 psi oil loop air compressor. And it's max psi of 135, 4.0 CFM. And then they got these. These are the new parts trays in every different color. So if you got a blue box, if you got a green box, if you know that's a chrome. So they got matching colors. So it depends on the color of your toolbox that you have. Definitely check them out. These are really nice. They look like they're powder coated. They come in red, green, blue, black, and chrome. Those are the black ones. Check them out. And those are 6 inches, by the way, and they are magnets on both sides. You do have a magnet with the rubber part on the back, and that's the bigger ones. $14.99 for the 6.25 by 14, and then $12.98. $99 and then $19.99 for that bigger one. So these are really nice. And then they got the creepers here. Definitely check them out. They do got all these 3 colors. So green, blue, and black. And then they got the batteries. Definitely check them out for the batteries. The blue ones are the better ones. The orange ones are okay. The yellow ones, just stay away from them. They're complete trash. So just definitely get the better ones that it says right there, and the best ones, which are the blue ones. And Harbor Freight's a great place to get the batteries because they are so cheap here. Especially those blue ones are like Energizer quality. Definitely check them out. These blue ones are nice. They are on sale, $5.99 for the double A's. So you guys see there, they're all on sale. So definitely check them out. These are the rechargeable ones. So I guess you can recharge those. And yeah, if you haven't checked out my video for this cargo unloader, make sure you guys check it out on my channel. This is basically like a roll-up for your truck bed, and you unwind it, and when you wind it up, you start unloading the truck basically with the dirt, sand, whatever you have, debris. And then these are new tools that I haven't seen before. 20-ounce HVOP gravity spray gun, Central Pneumatic. Looks really nice. Then they got this on sale, times 2 bright, 328 lumen, dimmable switch lights. That's it right there. It's a little dirty, but obviously get another one. Don't get ones that are bad. This is a new tool that they have. So this is a Viking 12 volt jump starter, 1700 peak amps. Starts a V8 or a V6 diesel. So definitely check it out. $159.99. If you needed like an all-in-one kit. I believe one of these has a compressor. I don't know if this one does have it or not. It says charging amps 500. I don't know if it has a compressor. I would have to look. I know one of these does have extreme weather, extra heavy duty clamps, maintenance free. So definitely check it out if you have a shop. If you do side work on the weekends, that's a great little tool for you. Jump starter 750 peak amps, $49.99. I haven't used this personally. I know the Viking stuff is really good because I have a Viking battery pack jump starter and it works really well. I know that's a good brand. And they got this one, ATV Lawnmower Lift for $79.99. Definitely check it out. It's a 300-pound capacity. So if you got a lawnmower, you got maybe a smaller side-by-side, like a kid's side-by-side or something. It's definitely something to check out here. $179. That's for the 750. So that's a little bit heavier duty. So 750 pounds on this one. And they got the chain hoist. It's a 1 ton. They got it on sale for $49.99. Definitely check it out if you have a shop. And stay away from these. These are completely trash. They fall apart. Not even worth the $4.99. So buy something like this. Or just go to another brand and buy something similar. So $6.99 for this 36 piece. And they got this dolly for $17.99. It looks like a reinforced with steel. So definitely a heavy duty, 30 by 18 inches, $17.99. And they got the clearance section. They've got a bunch of blades to clean out because they're replacing them. And then they got some gravity spray guns there, HVOPs. They got some open boxes or open. These are nice swivel sockets. Definitely check them out. If you're a professional, you know what? I saw this guy when I was filming this. I saw this guy returned a full can of oil. Not of oil. It was like the mixture, just a full metal can filled with sockets. And when he put them on the counter, he filled the whole counter up with used sockets. He stayed there an hour with the lady, like not an hour, I would say about 20 minutes with that lady. So they had to open up more registers. And you know what? Harbor Freight did not ask him any questions. So he basically went to the store. He put his can down at the register. He went to the store, picked full sets of Pittsburgh sockets. He picked out like a half a cart full, I'm not kidding you, half a cart full of Pittsburgh sockets, brand new with the packages, everything. And he brought them to the register and he told the cashier, these are the sockets I'm trading in, these are the sockets I'm getting. And basically, he got the bucket full of the metal bucket full of sockets, and he gave them to the register, and the lady did not say anything. It's a no questions asked guarantee from Pittsburgh Icon. All those brands, all the hand tool brands, the mechanics hand tool brands. So definitely recommend them. He is a professional mechanic. He says he uses them every day. He beats the hell out of those sockets. And I asked him if the sockets, the Icon sockets, were a little better, and he says yes. They last a lot longer than the Pittsburghs. The Pittsburghs are mostly for DIYs, but you know what? At the price point, free lifetime guarantee, it's just worth buying them. It's just worth buying them. I was just so amazed how many sockets he brought in. I'm not kidding you. He brought like 10 different sets of sockets and impacts. So just to let you know. Anyways, we got the Atlas here. This is the open box table. They always have one of these open box tables by your stores. So look for this. They got welders, they got lawnmowers, they got all kinds of chainsaws. So definitely make sure you guys talk to your manager. If you got a good relationship to your manager, they might discount an extra 10 or 20% off the price, the already discounted price. So make sure you guys talk to a manager. If you talk to a regular cashier, they're not gonna help you at all. You have to ask for a manager. $3.99 for that one, and then $3.99 for that 6 outlet power strip, which is a great deal. I have a few of those here at the house. As a matter of fact, I'm using some right now. If you guys don't know what this is a kilowatt. This will measure all your devices, see how much it's drawing, current is drawing. So if you got a device that's currently drawing energy and killing your electricity bill, then that'll help a lot. And then you got the power strips there for $3.99, which is not a bad deal. $4 there for a 6 connected power strip. And they got the sander for $54.99. It's a 3x21 8 amp variable speed sander. So yeah, definitely check them out. They got a lot of great stuff. It's just you have to take the time to look. Make sure you guys do view the reviews. Bauer's pretty solid. Hercules, Earthquake XT, Pittsburgh tools are okay, especially the Sagas. Quinn are even better. The Quinn brands, the Doyles are really nice. So definitely, you got a new tool here, or a new blade, 60 tooth blade from Bauer. So that's, and then they got this on sale, $39.99. This is great for the home DIY. If you don't want to spend money into a platform, $40 will get you in, will get you done. Tire changes. This is a really powerful tool, very powerful for DIY. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys any longer. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.